Subtracting with Style. An easy guide to borrowing and subtraction. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that can sometimes seem a bit tricky: subtracting multi-digit numbers with borrowing. We promise you, it's not as daunting as it might sound, and by the end of this video, you'll be subtracting numbers with ease. Subtraction with borrowing is a method used to subtract larger numbers from smaller ones in a given digit place. For example, if you have to subtract 9 from 3, you can't do it without borrowing. That's where the borrowing method comes in handy. We will walk you through the process step by step. Let's take an example. 421 to 367. 1. Start from the rightmost digit, also known as the units place. Here we have 1 in the top number and 7 in the bottom number. Can we subtract 7 from 1? No, we can't. So we borrow 1 from the tens place. 2. The 2 in the tens place becomes 1, and our 1 in the units place becomes 11. Now, subtract 7 from 11, and you get 4. Write this number down. 3. Next, move to the tens place. Now we have 1, since we borrowed 1 for the units place earlier, and 6. Can we subtract 6 from 1? No, so we need to borrow again. 4. This time, we borrow 1 from the hundreds place. The 4 in the hundreds place becomes 3, and our 1 in the tens place becomes 11. Subtract 6 from 11, and you get 5. Write this number down next to the 4. 5. Finally, move to the hundreds place. Now we have 3 and 3. When we subtract 3 from 3, the result is 0. 6. Put it all together, and our answer is 054, or simply, 54. That's the process of subtraction with borrowing. The key to mastering subtraction with borrowing is practice. It might seem a bit confusing at first, but the more you practice, the easier it will become. Always remember to start from the right and move to the left, borrowing from the next digit over as needed. That's it for today, dear learners. We hope this video has demystified the process of subtracting multi-digit numbers with borrowing. Remember, every new skill takes some time to learn, and that's completely okay. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be a whiz at subtraction with borrowing. Until next time, happy learning!